How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, and I want to make one last video for tonight on June 6th. You guys probably watched a lot of videos, but what I want to go and what I'm seeing a very undervalued, extremely oversold company, and that's GWAV. I really think this one can pick up steam, and I'm really kind of surprised with all the meme stock, hypes that's going on. This thing is after hours, like nothing, 0%. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, nothing really happening. I do think this is going to be a hidden gem for tomorrow or next week on Monday. I really think this can get going. Here's what I'm going to be looking for. I want to get the best risk versus reward. It's going to be like impossible to say right at 3.45 is the exact bottom it's going to go up. But I'm going to show you guys like really how to get precise entries where you can get pretty dang close. And if you have a proper accumulation rules, like if you're in my premium Discord, you know how to accumulate. And if you want to join the premium Discord and get my band strategy with my EMAs and KDJ, you can click the link down below to the YouTube comments to join. But basically, what we're seeing here, we have lots of different ways to play this. We know that price reverts back to the mean when we hit the upper band. Price can't sustain this. This is a big sell-off. Everyone that's been in my Discord knows that, and they know not to touch these plays because you will be a bag holder. It's just not worth it. Let it go up. Let you miss out the boat. A lot of the times you get the bounce on the EMA 5. This is just a short-term bounce. You play it one time and it goes up and then it goes down. This one right here is a different scenario. We gapped all the way down, and we got rid of all the EMA 20s. We went all the way under the bands. What you can look at, and this is probably one of the best setups. I'm going through the past, so kind of show you guys what I like to look for. The most higher previous candle you can look for a stop loss, and this was probably your best risk versus reward because we know price reverts to the mean. And when I get done discussing this, you'll see why this is a good setup we're having. Price reverts back to the mean at the EMA 5 very, very fast. So what happened is we were so far away from the EMA 5 that we went from 7.92 after the reverse split all the way to $18. That is insane, right? But then what happens is a lot of people come to chase it and they're buying it above the bands. You never want to buy it above the bands, and the reason why is price reverts back to the EMA 5 very fast. So could it do like this kind of pattern and go hit the upper bands? Absolutely. Absolutely you could do that. But the more often than not, it's going to do this type of pattern where you see here, I'll show you consistently after consistently. Hit the EMA 10 down. And these are all bottom reversals. So do keep in mind, I do play, these are my bread and butter plays. If you see price at the lower band with time distance, we see a shoot up. I do play a lot of these kind of plays. So, yeah, as you can see, price is always magneted to your EMA 5, 10, and 20. Your EMA 20 is like your absolute reversion of the mean, and that's where it makes the big move down. So when it hits this right here, it goes down. So what we want to see here is that reversion to the mean. We have an EMA 20 all the way up here at $9. The price is $3.40. That's an over 100% return if it went up there. Can it do that? Absolutely. We've seen it right in here go all the way to the EMA 20. I'm looking for a very easy gain here. We just hit the EMA 5, so anybody that got these averages down here, your lucky day, you made a nice return. From the low of 3.90 to $5 and like 30 cents. Very nice return. So then we go back down and we're under the EMA 5. What we like to see is at least 2 days under the EMA 5 for that nice return. And what I am going to show you guys a hidden oscillator, a stochastic that I want everyone to install. It's so nice to see. Right here where my arrow is a KDJ. Ignore the D and the J, and here's a nice tip. Only focus on the K. Nobody's going to show you this. For you watching my YouTube videos, I'm telling you, it's the best thing. So as you can see, when we go to this candle here on May 29th, a K is 12.42. It's going to fluctuate. Anything higher than 10, I don't really touch. A K of 8.47 here, K of 5.77, 4.70, we're getting lower, 3.94. We refresh the K here, and right here is 292 and 2.05. The K is extremely low. So it's just another factor that say, hey, we're going to get a bounce. So, let's look for this stock for a nice bounce. So we hit the EMA 5 here, we reset the time distance, and right in here is 1 day of not hitting the EMA 5. if we get a day right here tomorrow of not hitting the EMA 5 and we don't get any movement, I'm freaking, I'm buying GWAV, all right, because this K is going to be so oversold. For a nice conservative gain, we're looking at 4.74. The price is 3.45. Like, and then look at the EMA 10. The EMA 10 is at 669. And then the EMA 20 is way up here. I think there is a lot going on, all right? Do not let this stock, be hidden. There's we got 2 million volumes, decent, not like what it used to be, but I promise you this stock's going to be picked up. It's going to shoot up because of all these reasons I'm saying. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis on my video. Price reverse to the mean, remember that. We have to retouch these, and the conservative, you can keep hitting that EMA 5 and make consistent returns, but I think we might hit the EMA 10 here soon. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. If you want to join, what you want to do is click the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you hit that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is first read how to subscribe. Very, very great knowledge here. If you're having an Android, this is going to solve your issue because a lot of Androids are having trouble subscribing, but it's so easy to subscribe. Read how avoid scammers. There's going to be a lot of people impersonating me, using my logo, and trying to offer you a service. The only service that I offer is the subscriptions on Discord that is safely processed with Discord of only $6 a month. So if anybody that DMs you, that is not me. I never DM first. What you want to do is head on to the subscriptions tab on premium chat, and when you click that chat, it would be only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. I'm telling you guys, it's probably the best deal ever, and I have thought about increasing it, but I'm going to stay true to my principles because I want anybody to try this service. If you have $50 in your account, you can try this service. If you have $100, you can try it. Obviously, the bigger money is going to make a lot more money in my service, but because I'm not trying to get people rich quick, I'm here to make them consistently profitable so that when you have a lot more money, you can be making more, right? That's just the name of the game. If you subscribe, do it on a computer to avoid the iOS fee, because if you do it on your phone, you'll get charged $1 or $2 more. What you want to do is head on over to the RTK swing trades. These are my actual alerts with my entries and exits, and you'll get notified on your phone when I get in a position. Education videos, this right here, watch all these videos. Anytime I put something new in here, they're very important. I took a lot of time to do those. And then RTK Journal is the most important thing of why this Discord has so much value, is because you get to see my actual stocks I'm in with the averages, with my wins and losses, and then I have a section of notes of why I take a trade. It's one of the most important things, and that's why I want to make it. I want to make it so transparent of why we get in trades, right? And so why you're confident. If I'm winning, you're winning. If I'm losing, we're losing together. And that's the most important thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on GWAV. I'd be looking to get in a position tomorrow. I really like this setup we're seeing here. And I'm going to start accumulating this for a move up. It's looking very nice because the EMA 20 has a big range if we go in there. So I think we got something good going. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I read all your comments, so I do appreciate it. And it's only $6 a month if you want to join. I'll see you guys in there.